the Oregon coast, where forest meets ocean, where lungs taste freedom, where eyes meet beauty. I had the pleasure of camping 4 days on the coast with some good friends of mine, and well, I could just tell you about it, but I'd rather show you.
Say what if we reincarnate, and whatever God said, it's your turn for choosing. Would you rather come back, be born in a circle, see the oldest garden, the crescent is fertile? Or would you prefer to see life underwater, only knowing oceans have hundreds of daughters? There's a part of hope that is sown in this theory. Give me any species and keep yourself near me. Take it easy, I don't wanna be without you. If you start over, can I read your mind too? Anything you become, let me run beside you, go a little bit farther. So what if I manage to mess up a sequence, and I have to come back as one of your hairpins? I know that the morning I'm born in your tresses would be more than worth it, adorning some goddess. Being honest, I don't wanna be without you. If you start over, can I read your mind? Anything you become, let me run beside you, go a little bit farther. Put it on me, every night you should have died for a better view of the moon. Back of your belt, held on tight, but I fell with you. I could see us being young lovers in a fable. That could be us, it could over and over become and become. I should let this go. I could be your water instead. I put on my coat. I could hear you stalling the way you said, is it alright to feel like I do at all? Ooh. Got caught up in the skyline, and the words just okay. I'm wrong.
I want to leave, but at the end of the day, this is my home forever.